Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 40, and we're going to explore the fascinating world of data science with Python. We'll give you an overview of data science and its applications, and show you how to install and use essential data science libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Let's get started. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from data. It's used in various industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and more to make data-driven decisions. For example, in finance, data science is used for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and risk management. In healthcare, it's used for predictive analytics, personalized medicine, and medical imaging. In marketing, it's used for customer segmentation, sentiment analysis, and targeted advertising. To get started with data science in Python, you'll need to install some essential libraries: NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These libraries provide powerful tools for numerical computing, data manipulation, and data visualization. First, let's install these libraries. Open your terminal and run the following command. Great! Now let's dive into each of these libraries. NumPy is a fundamental library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and many mathematical functions. Let's create a simple NumPy array. This code creates a 1D and a 2D array using NumPy. Let's run the script to see the output. You should see the 1D and 2D arrays printed in the terminal. Pandas is an essential library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides data structures like series and data frame to handle and analyze data efficiently. Let's create a simple data frame using Pandas. This code creates a data frame with 3 columns: name, age, and city. Let's run the script to see the output. You should see the data frame printed in the terminal with the provided data. Matplotlib is a powerful library for data visualization. It allows you to create a wide variety of static, animated, and interactive plots. Let's create a simple line plot using Matplotlib. This code creates a simple line plot with X and Y data points. Let's run the script to see the output. You should see a line plot with markers at each data point. And that's a wrap for day 40 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we introduced you to the world of data science with Python and showed you how to install and use essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 41. Keep coding and happy learning.